Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Arissa and I'm the Senior Beauty Editor for Harper's Bazaar Singapore and a content creator on YouTube. I enjoy creating videos related to YouTube, productivity, cameras, photography, fashion, and beauty. Today I'd like to share with you some tools which I found to be super useful when I'm creating YouTube content. And the best part is all these tools are free to use, although some of them do come with paid options that allows you to unlock more features. First up is Canva. I've actually been using this service for about 5 years now. Basically, it's a graphic design platform that allows you to create beautiful visuals, whether it's for Instagram, YouTube, or even presentations and resumes. I like Canva because it's really easy to create artwork for whatever platform you're working on. Canva has these easy templates that let you create things like YouTube thumbnails, Instagram story slides, or even YouTube channel art without needing to remember what dimensions they are. There is a paid version of Canva which allows you to unlock some of the pro features like text animations or images and graphic elements, which could prove to be useful if you don't like to be limited creatively. The paid version also allows you to upload your own fonts and logos, which is super helpful if you have your own branding and house style. Next up is the Milkshake app. While not exactly related to YouTube, I see Instagram as a complement to help drive traffic to YouTube. I still haven't hit 10,000 followers on Instagram, which makes it difficult if I want to include a swipe up link on my Instagram story. The alternative is to change the link in your bio every time you upload a new video, but this is where Milkshake comes in. With the Milkshake app, it creates a micro website which allows you to quickly build links to your YouTube. So all you have to do is to update and embed your new YouTube videos without losing links to your previous stories. You can also personalize your Milkshake website to suit the look and feel of your YouTube and even include a short about me write-up or a link to your blog. Next up is Notion, and oh my god, where do I even begin? When I first started using Notion, it was quite daunting as I see a lot of YouTubers with their amazing dashboards that look super complicated. But once I got the hang of it, I wondered how I actually survived without it. Notion is basically all the productivity tools you need, like Kanban boards, tables, checklists, and calendars all in one spot. Some people use it to streamline and have an overview of their YouTube workflow, while some other people use it to keep track of their life, expenses, chores, and habits. It can be quite daunting to use, I won't lie to you, but once you know how these blocks work and how you can link up your databases, it's super helpful, and I highly recommend it if you want to streamline your YouTube workflow. I mainly use Notion to put my YouTube video ideas into action and created my own template to help me brainstorm titles, thumbnails, write my script, and gather all the B-roll shots that I need. I also create pre and post production checklists so I don't miss out on anything. And they used to cost $5 a month to use, but now it's completely free and I really recommend it. Another tool which I found helpful for driving traffic from Instagram to YouTube, Later.com is an Instagram scheduling service which allows you to plan your Instagram content ahead of time. The functions are limited for a free account. For example, you're only allowed to post 30 posts a month. There are also limitations to their functions due to Instagram's own API. It helps you post videos and single post images automatically, while other posts like Instagram stories require a push notification to be sent to your phone, which then you can publish on your own. There's also a function that helps you visualize your grid ahead of time, so you can plan the look and feel of your Instagram grid. The last thing I want to talk about is Thumbsup.tv. As all YouTube creators would tell you, thumbnails are super important and you have to optimize it for all the platforms that your viewers are on. So what you do is upload your thumbnail onto Thumbsup.tv and type in your video title, and they'll automatically generate different views and sizes which your viewers would see based on the devices that they are viewing the video on. It's good for you to visualize whether the text on your thumbnail is legible on smaller handheld devices, and it also ensures that your video titles don't cut off at the important parts, so your viewers always know what your video is about even before clicking on it. So that's it from me. I hope you found this list useful, and if you have any other recommendations or tools that you personally use for YouTube, please leave me a comment below, and I'd love to learn more about how I can optimize my YouTube workflow as well. As always, thank you so much for sticking until the end of the video. Please help me hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!